Myntri Rangbah ukanrat ki sangma ulepli kejingti Dewiong napar Dewiong Sarangkham Byndihati East Giant Hills District. Balapinon kam katkum kejuk Stad Mynta First Scientific Mining Coal Block Meghalaya. Hakajingelang balasenran do ba Khuborjylla kakong Santa Mary Shilla MLA na Sutengah Saipong ba Herbertus Nongtudu EMGH EDC Deputy Commissioner Shivansh Avasti WSP ke East Giant Hills bat bongut kiri Rangbah na ketigatan. Myntri Rangbah ulong hakini kejingelang peli ke Rukom ti Dewiong bapaka da keboong bekejingele ban yok biang ya ke kam ti Dewiong Meghalaya kelalong kebejuat bat kebae hadu kata-kata. Kalau shimpor hadu nyau hadu pras nem ban poi je ketong ban sedang biang yi kam ti Dewiong lengba kibut Stad jong kani kejuk Mynta. Kirang ba ki bakentup ekonomi kemat pa kirang ba shnong bat kiri urang ba kila ai kejingero bat jing sngongu i kejing teri shitom jong Khuborjylla ha kejingelam Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ki sangma.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state. Thank you very much.